Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted email calls history. If you want to recover your deleted email audio and video calls history, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to email and then open it, and in this time I can delete some email messages or chats or call history, but I can easily recover or restore deleted email calls history. So let's see how to do that. And then click here and then call history, open it, and then in this time I can delete some calls history, and then I can easily recover all deleted email calls history. So let's see, and then click on it. Right top corner, 3 button option, click here, delete, and in this time I can delete some email calls history, audio and video calls history, but I can easily recover or restore. So minimize it and go to Google Play Store, and then Google Play Store, open it, and then write all deleted messages recovery. All deleted messages recovery. Please install this app and then open it, and then you can see WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, Emu, Instagram. You can open Emu, so click here and open Emu, and in this way you can see your all deleted Emu calls history, and then open it, and right now you can see your all deleted Emu audio and video calls history in this here. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted calls history and audio or video calls history. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.